What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dash and this is the 411. On the channel we do talk fashion, fitness, and fragrance, and also building your self-confidence, guys. If that sounds like something you like, check out the content, and of course hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well. To my returning 411 family, my returning 411 members, welcome back, guys. Salute to you guys. I do appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch this video and all the love and support you're giving me over the past few months. Okay, guys, the family is grown. We're at 471 members at the moment. I'm going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, so stay tuned for more information on that. Okay, I'm going to just shout out a few members before we get started. Shout out to some of the new subscribers: Lamina Tor, J.A., Sipo Gangoma. I butchered that, I apologize. Jean Carlo Burton, also Ontario Hidden Pearls, and of course Mr. Zafra 81. Thank you guys for joining the family. Welcome to the family. Really do appreciate you guys' support. And guys, even if you're watching, you're not subscribed, you haven't liked the video, I do appreciate you guys taking the time out to even watch the content. So thank you to you guys as well, all right? Today we do have an unboxing for you guys. We're going to be unboxing Azzaro Sport. I got this cologne a few days ago. It was a gift and I wanted to do an unboxing and give you guys my first impression, but also we're going to switch up the style of video. I'm going to give you guys my first impression now, first thing in the morning. It is March 3rd, so happy Friday, guys. TGIF. Hopefully you guys have some amazing things planned this weekend, and if not, hopefully you get some rest and get ready for Monday, because Monday is right around that corner. Okay, so guys, I'm going to do this video in two parts. I'm going to be doing a first impressions with you now. I'll come back in a few hours and do a follow-up with you guys and give you guys details on performance, projection, all that good stuff. Okay, so let's jump right into the unboxing. We'll get Azzaro Sport unboxed and I'll give you guys my first impressions. All right, guys, so the box itself is pretty simple. Okay, we have Azzaro Sport on the front, nothing on the sides. We have some details on the back. All right, and of course at the bottom we have your batch code. It's engraved in there. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see that. Okay, this one says, Azzaro, life is a celebration. Step into the light and enjoy the moment. It's your time to shine. Like that. Let's get this bad boy open and let's get this on skin. Okay, so there's the bottle. Very simplistic, clean type of presentation with the bottle. Clear bottle with Azzaro Sport going down the middle in red. Okay. The cap is actually plastic. It does look metal or steel, but it is a plastic cap. All right. There's the atomizer. Pretty basic, very simple. Of course, at the bottom we do have the batch code again and details on the expiration. Okay, let's get this in air. Really good atomizer. Off top I'm getting a soapy, citrusy, clean type of vibe. I do like it. It smells kind of generic, but let's get it on skin and let this thing really open up and we'll see what it does. Okay. Okay, slight bit of alcohol, nothing too crazy. Okay, I sprayed a bit much there, guys. So this one is citrus in the opening, whether it be lemon or bergamot. Some lavender I'm going to assume as well. This one gives me citrusy, clean, fresh, aromatic type vibe. Now guys, even though I'm reviewing this freshy scent, it is still March. It's March 3rd, and here in Toronto we're actually having a snowstorm as we speak. We're expecting 15 to 25 centimeters of snow. So even though I'm doing a freshy review, it's nowhere close to being spring or summer. But you know what, as fragrance heads, we have to be ready for what's around the corner, and we got to make sure our lineup is good to go. And guys, this one is good to go as well. Aside from the generic type of scent profile it gives, there are some other facets in here. I get a melon type of vibe. I get some sweetness as well with this one. That melon is coming through even more now, mixed with that citrus, that bergamot. Again, fresh, sweet, crisp clean, soapy as well, and like I mentioned, an aromatic type of scent. This one I could see giving you compliments, and it's gonna be one that is gonna be pretty well versed. Whether you wanna wear it to the office, to the gym, to run errands, you could dress this down, of course, t-shirt or polo shirt, and you're good to go for the spring, summertime. I gotta say, my expectations were low, but I'm actually really liking this one, guys. This one is gonna be one that I reach for a lot. Not really a dumb reach, but an easy reach fragrance. Okay guys, as far as the opening, I do like it. I'll bring you guys a follow-up in a few hours and let you guys know how long it lasted and what the performance and projection is like, all right? So I'll see you guys in a few hours. All right guys, so I got a full day's wear of Azzaro Sport, and I was able to actually do some research and get you guys some information as well. So as far as performance, you're looking at about 5 to 6 hours of performance. Again, it is still cold here, so I think in the summertime, maybe you could push that. With the 5 to 6 hours of performance, I went pretty light, about 3 to 4 sprays. But also as far as projection, you're gonna get about an hour of projection, hour of good projection, by the way. And after that hour and a half, it kind of just dies down slowly. Now, the scent doesn't really become a skin scent after that 1 hour mark. It's still there. And I think it still leaves a nice sillage, especially if you put this on clothes. I think you could maybe stretch it, maybe get an hour and a half to 2 hours of projection on clothes. But again, it's an EDT, so it's not meant to perform and last all day, okay? So speaking of EDT, guys, I found out that there's also an Azzaro EDT, Azzaro Sport EDT. This one is gonna be the Azzaro Cologne, the Azzaro Sport Cologne, I should say, all right? So there are 2 different Azzaro Sports. This one is the Cologne version. This one, guys, I really like a lot. For a freshie, it offers you a sweet side of it as well. I actually have the notes here. Its top notes are grapefruit, clary sage, sandalwood, and tonka bean. So again, having sandalwood and tonka bean in that base creates a woody, sweet facet. But like I mentioned, I thought I smelled melon in here, so it does give you some other resemblance of other notes. And again, with the melon, that vanillic type of smell to it, the fresh cleanness you get as well, it's a well-versed scent, and I think it's well worth the money. This retails for $25 Canadian. So again, for the price, it's a no-brainer. You can wear this anytime where you have cool, I should say you can wear this anytime you have warm weather. So for me, it's a must-have in my collection, especially for the price point. I can see myself using this a lot, and I will be using this a lot when the weather does get warmer. So if you guys are interested in something that is fresher but also sweet, and you're looking for something like that, this would be a good pickup for you. If you already have sweet, fresh scents in your collection, I can see this being kind of redundant because, as I mentioned, the smell is kind of generic, but again, the sweet facet adds a bit of touch to it, and it makes it a little bit different from the other blue fragrances I have in my collection. So I'm gonna rate this one an 8 out of 10. I really do like it. I do look forward to wearing this. I'm gonna get a lot of wears out of this this spring, summertime. So guys, that's gonna be my review for Azzaro Sport, the Cologne version. If you guys like the video, definitely like the video. Drop me some details in the comment section if you tried this one before. In the meantime, hope you guys are staying blessed, staying well, and of course, smelling good. See you guys in the next one. Peace.